Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send new published YouTube video details on Microsoft Teams. So suppose here I'm running a marketing team and we are publishing new videos on our YouTube channel. Now what I want to do is I want to share the details of the new published video with my internal team on Microsoft Teams. So for this what I need to do is I need to build a connection between YouTube and Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to build this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new published video through YouTube, then automatically I'm going to send a message on my internal team that I have on my Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to send a message on Microsoft Teams for every new published video that I'm going to publish on my YouTube channel. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send new published YouTube video details to Microsoft Teams. So suppose a YouTube content creator or marketing team wants to keep their internal teams informed every time a new video is published on their YouTube channel. So instead of manually sharing the video details in Microsoft Teams, they want to automate the process so that every time a new video is uploaded, a message containing the key details such as video title, description, link, and publish date is automatically sent to designated Microsoft Teams channel. So let's assume here that I have a YouTube channel for my company and I post weekly videos. So the marketing team and social media teams use Microsoft Teams to collaborate and promote content. To ensure timely promotion, I want to receive automatic notifications in my Microsoft Teams channel every time a new video is uploaded on my YouTube channel. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a connection between YouTube and Microsoft Teams in such a way that whenever a new video will get uploaded on my YouTube channel, then automatically the details of that YouTube video will be shared on my Microsoft Teams channel. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect YouTube with Microsoft Teams without any coding and programming skills, and for this I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect I'm going to build this automation between YouTube and Microsoft Teams. And now for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button and it will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow. And for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send new published YouTube video details on Microsoft Teams. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and here in this tab I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account and I'm going to use this particular folder of YouTube videos. So I'm going to select this and now I'm going to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action is just going to follow that. So I need to first set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, I need to first search for my trigger application. And here my trigger application is going to be YouTube. So I'm going to search for that. And I need to select YouTube here. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new video in channel with video URL is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect YouTube with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now I have to click on connect with YouTube. And here I have to click on continue to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected YouTube with Pabbly Connect. Now first I need to select my channel ID and here I only have one channel which is of demo channel. So I have selected that as my channel ID. And now what I need to do is I need to take you to my YouTube channel And here on my YouTube channel, I have recently posted this new video that has the title of Golden Serenity Capturing the Majestic Sunset. So I'm going to open this video. And here this is my latest uploaded video on my YouTube channel. And here this is my video description. Now what I need to do is I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So here I have received this response, and this is the response of my latest video that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. And here this is the video title. So this is the video title, that is Golden Serenity Capturing the Majestic Sunset. Also I have the description of my video. So this is the description of my video. Also in this I have received this video URL. So this is the URL of my video that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. And also I have all these other details, like I have the channel detail, I have the height, width, and all other details of my video and the thumbnail detail. Now here I have received this response, but if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry, because this is a polling based response. So within the next 10 minutes, you are going to receive this response from YouTube, and this 10 minutes are the polling time of YouTube. Now in every 10 minutes, what is going to happen is that YouTube is going to check for the new data, and if we are going to upload a new video on our YouTube channel within these 10 minutes, then automatically it is going to send that data of that video that we have uploaded in Pabbly Connect. So automatically within the next 10 minutes, we are going to receive the data of the new published video in Pabbly Connect. So here this is the polling based response, and in every 10 minutes, we are going to receive the response for the new video uploaded. So here I have received this response of the video that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. And now what I need to do is that as I have uploaded a video on my YouTube channel, I want to send a notification message to my marketing team that I have in Microsoft Teams. So for automatically sending this notification message, what I need to do is I need to set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I need to search for Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Microsoft Teams here. Now I have to give an action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and here I'm going to use this action event of send message in a channel. So I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to connect Microsoft Teams with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and now I have to click on connect with Microsoft Teams. Now here I have to scroll down, and I have to first give my consent. So I'm going to click on this consent button. And now I'm going to click on accept to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I've successfully connected Microsoft Teams with Pabbly Connect. Now for sending the message on Microsoft Teams channel, what I need to do is I need to first select my team and the channel. So for this, let me take you to my Microsoft Teams account. And here I have this team of social media. And in this team, I have this particular channel of marketing team. So I'm going to use this channel. And here in this channel, I'm going to send a message for every new video that is going to get published on my YouTube channel. So here on this channel, I'm going to send my notification messages. And for this, let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And first I need to select my team. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I will find all the teams that I have in my Microsoft Teams account. And here I'm going to use this social media team. So I'm going to select this. And now I have to select my channel. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I have this channel of marketing team. So I'm going to select this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give my message. And here I have to give the message that I want to use as a notification message for the new video published. So here my message will be new YouTube video published. I'm going to add the detail like title, video URL, and the published date. Please watch and share this video with your network. So this is going to be my notification message. And now in this message, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the detail of my YouTube video that I have published on my YouTube channel. So here I've received the response of that video from YouTube response. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that response and I'm going to map those details here in this message. So for that, I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of YouTube, and here I need to first map the title of my video. So I'm going to search for the title, and here this is my video title. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I have to give the video URL. So I'm going to click here. I will give a space. I'm going to open this response of YouTube, and here this is the video URL. So I'm going to map this. And now I have to give the published on date. So I have to give the published date. So I'm going to click here. I will give a space. I'm going to open this response of YouTube. And here this is my published time and published date and time. So I'm going to map this. And now I have filled all the required details. Now as I have mapped all these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. So I'm going to do that. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response. So this means that I have sent a message automatically on my Microsoft Teams channel. So here I have sent this notification message for the new YouTube video that has been published on my YouTube channel. So to check whether I've received a new message on my Microsoft Teams account or not, let me take you to my Microsoft Teams channel. Now here on my channel, we can see I have received this new message that says new YouTube video published. And in this I have added the title of my video, that is Golden Serenity Capturing the Majestic Sunset. Also here I have added the video URL and I have the published date and time. So here this is the published date and time of my video, and here my message ends with please watch and share this video with your network. So here this is my notification message that I have automatically shared on my Microsoft Teams channel, and here I have sent this notification message for the new YouTube video that has been published on my YouTube channel. So here in this message we can see I have added this video URL. So I'm going to click on this video URL, and as I have clicked on that video, it has taken me to the video that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. Now I'm going to go back to Microsoft Teams, and here we can see I have successfully shared this message on my Microsoft Teams account, and I have shared this notification message for the new video that has been published on my YouTube channel. So here I have successfully created this connection between YouTube and Microsoft Teams, and now whenever I'm going to publish a new video on my YouTube channel, then automatically a notification will be sent on my Microsoft Teams account to notify my marketing team for the new video that has been published on the YouTube channel. So here I have successfully created this automation between YouTube and Microsoft Teams with the help of Pabbly Connect. And here I have successfully connected YouTube and Microsoft Teams. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have created this connection between YouTube and Microsoft Teams to automatically send new published YouTube video details on Microsoft Teams. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was YouTube, and my trigger event was new video in channel with video URL. Then I have set up my actions tab, and in my actions tab I have used Microsoft Teams, and my action event was send message in a channel. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow, and I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.